Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on Dodge Ram 2500, full guide. Park the truck on level ground about 25 feet from a flat wall, open the hood, and back the truck into position so the headlights face the wall evenly. Measure and mark the center of each beam with tape, and record the height from the ground to the headlight center. This measured reference keeps adjustments consistent and repeatable for proper alignment. Gather tools and observe safety before adjusting your headlights. This saves time and prevents mistakes. You will typically need a Phillips screwdriver, a 7mm socket, and a tape measure to make the common adjustments. Always let components cool if you recently drove the truck, and wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from debris. A helper can stand at the wall to confirm beam movement while you turn adjustment screws, making the process faster and more accurate. If this guide is helping you out, please hit like and subscribe so I can make more useful truck tutorials. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated during long garage sessions and on road trips, and it was on my bench throughout this tune-up. Check the description for the link and extra deals, and consider grabbing one for your next project. Now let's get back to the video. Start adjustments by locating the vertical and horizontal screws on the headlight housing and verify which screw moves which axis. With low beams on, have your assistant watch the tape marks on the wall while you turn the adjustment screws slowly and in small increments. Aim for the top of the beam to sit just below the headlight center mark at 25 feet, and ensure both headlights are level with each other so nighttime visibility is improved without blinding other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.